Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by defining where the loading screen fits into your app. Create a lightweight route or component and import the assets you collected. This matters because blocking the main thread will stall rendering. Once done, register the model artifact path and a small metadata file so you can check size and readiness. Instantiate a minimal loader that fetches the model headers first, then fetches weights in the background. This lets you show progress without delaying initial UI interactivity. You now wire incremental fetch and state updates into the component. Stream or range request model shards and emit progress events. You do this so the spinner becomes informative rather than opaque. Once a shard completes, parse lightweight tensors to validate shape and checksum, and update % and ETA on screen. Make sure to debounce UI updates to 200-500 milliseconds to avoid jank. Also detect slow connections and swap to a distilled or quantized. You finish by hydrating the model into the chosen runtime, whether WebGL, WebGPU, or WASM. This step is critical because weight transfer is not enough. Run a quick warm-up inference to allocate buffers and reduce the first interaction latency. Once warm-up is under your target threshold, animate a smooth transition to the app view. If something goes wrong, catch errors, log details, and retry up to 3 times with exponential backoff. If retries fail, present a fallback or prompt to retry manually.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.